And we are very close to the shipwreck here. That's called Edro III. That started here on the ground in November 2011. So I was running 4 kilometers from Coral Bay all the way here, and now I'm gonna do some swimming here and explore if it is possible to see something beneath the surface, and show you here on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris, where we explore different coastal treasures around the world. So this is the closest beach that we can find to the ship, and the entrance is quite heavy, but there are also 2 smaller beaches around the corner with stones. So we are going to, I'm going to show them those later, but now it is, the ship is the main attraction here, and let's see if we are going to be able to see something from the ground here. I hope I don't find sea urchins here. Otherwise it looks... Oh, okay, there is one here, I see. So let's avoid that one. But you can see how big the ship looks from here. And this is one of the main attractions here in Paphos. That's a bit far from the city. Probably around 50 kilometers from the city center of Paphos this is. Alright, then we are ready to explore the depths here in Paphos and the sunken ship Edro III. So let's go together! Alright, so this is how the ship looks like from the shore, very close, and you have seen it also how it looks like from the water below. So it's quite scary if you ask me, especially from the other side where it's shadow. And the ship is actually lean towards the water, so I hope I'm not standing too close in order for it to sink, I mean to fall on this side, but this is how it looks like. Spectacular and quite a tragedy that happened. So yeah, cool. Enjoy this view from the Shipwreck, Edro III, and I can hear my own voice echoing from the ship. Can you hear that? Oh my god, it's so fantastic. It was definitely worth the run from Coral Bay to here, as there are so many people here and the water is amazing. So it is 21 degrees in the air and 20 degrees in the water, so it's quite perfect if you ask me for exploring. So yes, now I will enjoy this beautiful scenery a bit more, but I need to run back to Coral Bay, unfortunately. So let's snorkel a bit more. And yes, that's a wrap from this shipwreck here in Paphos, Edro III, on this 29th of December. Can you believe it? So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris! Woohoo!